Take a picture of you.
It doesn't have the feathers because it's currently winter, but you know, it'll try anyway.
The birds love Prussia.
Birds love Prussia a lot, apparently.
What happened last time?
Where's Gilbert?
Gilbert will get jealous.
Oh my god!
Violence.
Oh my god, it's so vicious!
Kick him in the face! You did it before!
You're all really big.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Aww, that's so cute. Oh my god!
Nature video. Yeah. Local nature in Prussia. That does not sound natural. And these are birds.
The ducks are coming too. We are being invaded! These are all really young birds.
This is why I'm not Saborga, because Finland's a lot warmer. Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
This is why I said. Off runs Italy into the sunset. What? Off runs Italy into the sunset. What sunset? That one. Whichever sunset that Italy is running into.
Goodbye, Italy!
Wow, which sunset?
I'm having fun just watching Prussia
There's only one sun.
feed the birds.
Actually, it's
the one that one
over sunset. And then ran out into the sunset again. When was that?